Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Oh my god, it's a very hot sunny Thursday. See how I'm sweating. The summer heat is not even funny. Like, hope you all are doing well. So I'm just here to introduce my video and welcome you all to my channel. This is a space for inspiration. If you're new here, welcome. So I just want to show you all some behind the scenes of how my day looks like, how I'm spending my day. I'm going to the market. After the market, I have to make some few things at home. So just sit back, relax and enjoy this video, okay?
So this was me on my way to the market. The market is not quite far from my home, so I just had to walk around. Yeah, this is just a walk around my neighborhood. This area is called Sokcho, and the market I was going to is called anyway, it's Sokcho Sijang. Sijang means market, so it's the local food market. Yeah, so I was just walking to Sijang. Yeah, so this is Sijang. This is what it looks like from the outside. There's a lot of food in the market, and most things are like cheaper here at Sijang compared to other places like the mart, of course. So because here you get like direct from the local farmers, most of them like kind of cultivate the things they sell, like the vegetables, the fruits, yeah, mostly. So you get it cheaper. I like buying fish from this Sijang because fish is much cheaper here compared to the mart, and the fish is very fresh. So if you go early in the morning, you'll be lucky to get like good fish. But if you go late in the afternoon, mostly in the afternoon, they kind of make the fish and then they take out all the things inside the stomach of the fish and then they put a lot of salt. So I don't like that. So I like going early in the morning so that I catch them when the fish is fresh, when they haven't made it yet. Like this, it looks like this. So I just choose the one I want and then they make it for me, and then they don't put the salt inside so that it doesn't get too salty whenever I have to cook it. When I came to Korea, I didn't know this, so I was always a victim of having very salty fish and I didn't know what was wrong. So I figured out what to do. Yeah, so they were kind enough to, when you buy it, you don't need to pay extra money for them to like make it, prepare it for you. No, you just buy it and then they ask you what you want. And then I went ahead to buy some potato because I wanted to
So you guys,
grill
I just
fish.
came back from the market and I bought fish. This is the fish, mackerel fish. And this fish in Korea is very expensive. Like this fish, one big one and one small one, it's like $10. And then the people didn't help me to make the fish. So if you want to, they can make it and you don't have to pay for that. They can help you to adjust it. Then I also bought potato. Here's my potato. Yeah, and then I bought green spices because these are the green spices because I want to grill fish today. Yeah, today that's what we're going to eat in our home. So I'm going to show you all and I'm going to carry you all along. Yeah, so let's see what happens.
Like I always say, there's no one particular way of making a particular meal. Everyone has their own method and they just do what works for them. So this is what works for me. I just always get the green spices like this. I wash it out and I go ahead to just cut it out. Yeah, because like I said, it's the way I like it. It's the way my husband and I love to eat our fish. Everyone has their own method, but this is my own method before people come here to judge my method, okay? So yeah, I just go ahead to slice that green spices and then I go ahead to put it inside the blender like this because I always just love putting everything together and then blending it all up. It makes my life easy. Yeah. So the next thing I got was the chili pepper. Like this pepper is not spicy at all. This pepper and the green spices, like there's no difference. It doesn't even feel like it's chili or anything. It's, yeah, so for me it's just like an extra spice. I don't really consider it chili, so it's not pepperish at all. It's not spicy. Yeah. And then I went ahead to chop some onions. I don't really put much onions because my husband already doesn't really like onions, but me, I do like it. So I don't know, I just always try to find a balance. Yeah, for this particular recipe I was using jangsa. This is a Cameroon spice. I don't know if, I think Nigerians use it as well. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. I just went ahead to get some pieces of it and then put it in my blender alongside. Yeah, it gives like some beautiful aroma and a beautiful flavor in the fish. Yeah, it's a main spice here. So I just went ahead to put on a little water and then I just went ahead to blend it. Yeah, you have to blend it to make sure it's really fully done. Yeah, so this was just me blending out all my spices and getting ready for my grilling process. So next I just put it into a bowl and then I went ahead to pour some oil into it. Yes, this is like, at this stage you put according to your preference or according to your taste. I put in some oil because I plan to grill the fish like I said, and then I mixed it up and then I added some salt according to my taste. And then I also added like seasoning, yeah, in Cameroon we call it maggi. It's seasoning, yeah. So I just added some salt, seasoning, whatever spice you want to put at this point is up to you, according to your taste buds, according to your preference here. Then I went ahead to prepare my fish. I was just washing it, even though they had fixed the fish for me in the market, but it still had like some little black particles in the middle and some, hanging things here and there. So I just went ahead to properly wash it up, yeah, make sure everything is nice and clean before I go ahead to grill it. Yeah, I was just taking off some parts of the fish that I didn't want them there. Yeah, so I just went ahead to cut it up like this because I was about to spice it up, so I wanted it like to get penetrate right deep into the bones of the fish so that I feel every aspect of the seasoning I'm going to put into the fish, and I really wanted this fish to be tasty. So I just went ahead to rub in the spices. Yes, these were the spices I made before. I just went ahead to rub it all in and put it on the fish, yes, to make it, nice and good. So yeah, this was just me doing that. So basically, after this process of spicing this up, I kept the fish aside for like an hour. Some people say 45 minutes, some people don't at all, but it's my choice and it's my way. I kept it aside for 1 hour before grilling it. While waiting for that, I went ahead to add some more chili pepper. Like I said, this is chili pepper that is not spicy, and then I went ahead to pour everything into like the frying pan to fry it. So there, that was it. I put my fish in the oven for like 30 minutes and boom, I got it. So here's my fish and this is what it looks like. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified each time I post a new video. And here I was just trying black ice cream. I had never tried it before. Thank you so much. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye.